So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use this coding. It's easy coding, but it's on the left. Right, you can download this on Microsoft Store, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Scratch. The name of it is Scratch. You can download it on Microsoft Store if you want to learn. So before we start, we need to learn how to use it. So there's like a button here. This button, it's like the green flag. After you write code, you're gonna click this green button so that it can run the code. See, it says go and this is stop. So it's gonna be okay. This is motion. Motion, you know what motion means? It's like moving. So like this is move 10 steps. This is turn, like turning around. This is turn the other way because it has like an arrow mark on this. And this is go to. So go to random position means it's going to go to a random position. So I'm going to click on the script and my cat moves here. Okay, I'm going to keep it okay. You can how you put the box is you click on it, you drag it, and then you click here. And if you want to remove it, you can just click here, put it back. So that's it. And let's go to position X and Y, you know. It's the how much up and how much side, I guess. Glide is like gliding somewhere. Like look, he's gliding over there. So like that. Glide 1 second to over here and stuff, you know. It's X and Y. The height, the top and the inside, okay. Next is pointing direction. That way. If I put 90, he's gonna point in direction the same. But if I put about like this, he's gonna turn that way. See, he turned that way. So point towards he's gonna point towards the mouse pointer. Like look, he looked at the mouse pointer there. Now I'll just put him back because that kinda looks weird. Okay. And he pointed towards the mouse pointer. So next we have change X by X is like right or left. So if you want right is gonna be change X by 10. Okay? And left is change X by minus 10 because that's the opposite of 10. Well, that's the opposite of the right and left, you know. So I'm gonna put this back. Actually, it's just change Y by is going up, and then that's it. Set Y to, it's like setting the position of Y. So if I want it to start here, it's gonna start him here. So that's how it is. And change X is the same thing, but with X, you know. And if on edge bounce, you know what that means. Set rotation style. Left, don't rotate all around like that. And X, Y, and direction. So up here, I don't need to explain a lot of stuff. It just looks here because like say hello and stuff. So sound, you can make your own sound if you want. And there's event. So when green flag click, that starts and everything. I'll show those later on in the video. Control, it's like repeat forever, if else, like that. It's controlling. Sensing is like if touching that, it's gonna go to that. It's like that. So operators is like how to say it? It's like plus minus. It's basically maths, but it's like coding. So variables, it's like changing positions X, Y. It's hard to use, so I don't really. It's hard for me to use it. My blocks is just like make a block. I'll show that later on in the video, but I don't think. Okay, whatever. So first of all, something else. If you don't want this cat, you can click the delete button on him. Yes. And you can click here. I'm gonna click here, choose a sprite. And I want a ball and wait no, I want an apple, not a bowl. And then I'm gonna put a bowl, maybe. Yeah, bowl. So I'm gonna keep this here and I want a place. I'm gonna pick the blue sky. So this thing, I want it to be bigger. So what you can do is click on your sprite. These are called sprites. Click on your sprite, go to costumes, and then you can just like click CTRL and zoom out with the scroll wheel mouse. And you do this, select the whole thing, and you can just make it bigger. And I want the there we go, that's perfect. And also one more thing, if you want your wall to be always here when you click the green flag button, what you can do is put in the event section, when green flag clicked, which is this, you're gonna put it to go to x minus 40 minus 60. It's like right here, it's gonna copy what's here and put it onto here, so it's gonna be there. So now watch, I'm gonna move this here, and then boom, it goes there. So that's something that I really like. And I want the apple to start here. So do the same thing for the apple. Just when green flag click, and then go to x minus 30 by minus, well, my 122. So now next one, we're gonna do some testing too, guys, but I'm gonna click bold, okay? I'm gonna go to when green flag clicked, and then forever, and then forever is like infinitely looping, but you can use this script forever. As you can see, look at this script, okay? I'm gonna click this, and it just flashed once. Like look, it's flashing once, but that because I put the forever loop here, the skip runs forever. So I can put if then, if something, then I got sensing, and I put keys space press and put it onto this little hole here, and I'm gonna put if key right pressed. I'm gonna put it to move 10 steps. So now if I run the game, look, if I click the right one, it goes all the way to the right. So what you can do is put your mouse to the when green flag script here, and then right click it, and then you can click duplicate, and you're gonna put it to the other, you're gonna keep it here, and then you're gonna change this right arrow to left arrow, and then the move 10 steps to minus 10 steps. So now watch, and now I'm gonna do the testing I was talking about. I want to test something here. Look, when green flag clicked, forever, go to point in direction. Wait. Point. Go to. Wait. There should be a go to block. Where was it again? Go to. Point to. No. Oh, go to. Yes, go to. Here. Go to ball, and then we are going to make a variable, okay? Click, go to variables and click make a variable and put it to hit count, I guess. If you want, you can change it. It's basically so when the apple touches the ball, it's going to change it by 1. So when forever, go to ball, okay? And then next we have if, then, touching ball, change, yeah, go to variables and put change hit count by 1. So that's gonna make it so when this apple touches the ball, it's gonna change this hit count by 1. So that's basically what it means. And then if you want, after that, and then we're gonna go to control and put wait 1 second, and then go to 7122. Okay, now you can full screen from this button here. Let's test it out now, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, guys, sorry about that. I meant to say also one more thing. In variables, put when green flag clicked, after it put set hit count to 0 because we want it to start from the beginning again. And one more thing, guys, it's not go to bowl. We wanted to glide there, not go, because that's too fast. It's gonna be a boom, boom, boom. It's gonna go like that. So I don't want that. If you don't want that to happen, you can change it. And then oh wait, this one's supposed to be here, guys, after the forever, not inside the if one. So let's test this out now. If you want, you can change the speed, guys. This is kind of weird, I know, but it's hard. I might make more tutorials so that you guys can learn more Scratch, but it's just starting. So I'm gonna. Oh yeah, it's good though. It's good though. Like look, it starts from back there again, and as you can see, this apple hit count is going up every time it's touching the board. So that's also good. Watch. Look at this apple hit count, okay? 15, 16, like that. That is also something cool. You can also make the ball jump if you want. So copy this thing as I told earlier, and then change this to up arrow space. I'm gonna put up arrow, and instead of move 10 steps, you're gonna put change Y by 10, and then after that you're gonna add maybe wait 0.5 seconds, yeah, and then I'm just gonna duplicate this, and then minus 10, but I think 10 is a little not enough, so if you want you can put it to 50 and make sure to put it to 50, not minus 50 on the first one. But let's see this. Okay, I like it. So you can catch it, like catch it like that, catch it like that, catch it like that, catch it like that. Okay, let's try something. Okay, go to Apple. I'm just testing this out because I also want to test something else. I'm gonna put the when green flag clicked again. So green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, go to what if we put go to random position, but also set it to set actually no. So this is a game we kinda made it. I will show you guys later, maybe another day, how to create that apple to make it like go from random positions, like start from there. But this is what I'm gonna show you for this video, and it's cool. You can follow my one if you want, and if you want, there's also one more thing you can do. Look, oh, and also one more thing, guys. In this choose a sprite spot, if you just hover over it, you can paint one. Look, it shows paint, and I can paint it, but I don't wanna right now. And even you can do that with the backdrop thing. Choose a backdrop paint, surprise, and upload backdrop. So you can upload this if you want. If you don't like the normal Scratch stuff, you can upload this backdrop. So, or assets, I guess. And I'm gonna name this Scratch. Scratch. Tutorial number 1. So guys, now you can, after you do that, you're gonna go to file, and then you can save it to your computer. That's the save it to your computer button, and after that just select the files and stuff. But that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.